fam. Right now, I'm making some fried shrimps from scratch. You know you like going to these food restaurants where you get some fried shrimps. I'm gonna show you how to make them. What I do, I get me an egg or two, break them up, scramble it up, dip my shrimps, which you want to get raw. You want to get raw shrimps, not cooked shrimps. And you want to get some flour, which I just dipped, and some panko. It's more like breadcrumbs. And you put it on your plate like so. Again, here you go. You dip your shrimps, which I have the jumbo shrimps. Dip it to flour. Dip it to my panko. Get that smothered up in there. Add them on to the rest. Okay, fam. Now that I have my shrimps prepared, I'm dropping them in. You can drop them in as many as you like. I usually drop about maybe 10 to 12 at a time. You know, you have your deep fryer. Some have a smaller deep fryer, a bigger deep fryer. Depends on your deep fry, how many you want to drop in. Okay, actually, I'm gonna let that go on and fry, see it frying, and I'll be back in about 3 minutes. I'm back, and I'm going to pull these shrimps up. It's been about 3 minutes. Depends how you want them, you know. Some might like them a little fried harder, you know. See, they're nice and brown, how they come out. Okay, I take my tongues, put them on my plate. As you see, I already have some already prepared. Take them out. Some people just usually take the whole tray and just dump them out, but I like to just use my tongues and bring them out one by one. So when I add my Old Bay and parsley to it, it pretty much even everything out. Okay, here I have my shrimps out. Okay, I get my Old Bay, which I sprinkle on. Depends on your taste. You can pick however much you want on it. Okay, put about that much on. Then I also put a little parsley on there. You want to take the top off. Put a little parsley on there. Add a nice little color. Make it look, you know, make it look kind of interesting, tasty. And there you go, your fried shrimps.